Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. New subscribers, old subscribers, soon to be subscribers. In this channel you'll find countless hours of video pertaining to the construction of an enterprise level master data management system purely in SQL, builds itself, all that fun stuff. But, after it's built, how do we use it? So it's taken some months to learn about a new industry for me, the stock market. And that is basically what we're going to be doing. We're going to be setting up APIs using Python within Microsoft SQL to pull data, analyze that data, and execute trades based on that data. Probably not an auto trader immediately. I don't trust a robot with money yet, but you're going to see some new videos crop up. Those regarding the optimization of the system, new decision models, and some videos that don't have anything to do with SQL that are just analyzing these stocks that our database finds. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you're able to make some cash with me. And just in case, this is not financial advice and everything, we're just kind of trying to figure out what's going on and basically learn how this system works. So hope you enjoy, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you soon.